Alright guys, this is how to remove these cone washers that are on this rear axle of this particular dump truck. These things go down in there and they wedge into the axle housing. They center it up and lock it in, and they are a pain to get off. All you got to do is take a hammer, which I'll show you what I used. This homemade hammer, and knock the crap out of it right here. Don't be afraid to ding and dent it up. It ain't gonna hurt it. Smack that sucker like you're trying to break it. These things were on there so tight, I was like, I ain't getting them off. I'm gonna have to chisel them out. And in fact, some of them I even tried, and it got them to break loose a little bit, but when you got this many, you'll be here all day. Smack that hard as heck, and every one of them pretty much came loose. You can see now the axle separated away from them all. Don't be afraid to hit it. Later.